What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. We're looking at Bitcoin on the 4 hour time frame. What is going on? So yesterday we had two amazing candlesticks. First of all, this bullish engulfing invalidating this bearish technical target to the 0382, which was a head and shoulders pattern. You broke down, validating it, broke back above the neckline, back tested as support with another bullish engulfing, but also a bullish hammer. So continuation patterns, bullish continuation patterns. We haven't formed a bullish cross yet, of course, negative, because without that you're basically having that risk that you're still going to go in a downtrend. And so if that were to happen, you should be putting in lower lows below these lows, and as long as you don't do that, there's chances are you could go and put higher highs and then form that bullish cross. So for me, the cryptos are ranging for now because it can't decide. There's a lot of no one can decide basically what is going on at the moment. That's why you can see consolidation period right now. So yeah, we need to wait to see what the EMAs want to do, but you can see we're just consolidating between them at the moment. What I did want to do is for us to break above this level over here, break this previous swing high, will break this previous high over here. Last time we had a fake out. Now is this a back test of resistance for continuation downwards? This is what we need to look at. For me, this is a very key level to watch, because this is going to decide, are we going to continue lower or are we now going to continue higher? We now need to see 43,591 break basically above it. Until then, we're range bound between support and resistance, 42k and 43.6k, let's just say. Now we can of course get the fibs out, but before we do, you can see that when we got above the 618, this box over here, you came back to it, back tested it as support, and you're starting to head up. Your minimal target after is the 1, hold support above the 786 or the 618, and we should continue to that 1618. Now this is the one thing that we need to watch out for. If we measure from the swing high to the swing low down here and drag it across, you can see where have we retraced to. We've retraced to the 618. So if the fibs are meant to be used as they should, you've come down impulsively, you're correcting before continuation to the downside basically. This is what should happen. Now it doesn't have to. How do we invalidate that basically? Well, first of all, we need to stay above this low, obviously, to keep higher lows basically. Lose this low, you're putting in lower lows, definitely going to continue down. Technical target right here of the head and shoulders, because once you break this neckline again, it basically validates the pattern, even though the pattern was just over here, and obviously it's continued, gone down, validated, invalidated, back tested support, not going there. As if you lost this level again, that's basically a technical target, no matter what this is basically, because this over here was a head and shoulders, this is your neckline for it. So it doesn't matter what the structure is afterwards. If you come down and break this again, you're breaking that previous head and shoulders neckline, and so it would validate that previous pattern's technical target back at 41k basically. Now to invalidate any further downside, obviously we need to get above this 0618, and that's why this box is so key, and that's why we have it here. We are holding the 20, amazing, but you can see we're coming to some sort of apex. You can say that this is an ascending triangle. You got your resistance, let's draw your support now. So ascending support, and then obviously horizontal resistance from here. So this is like a double bottom basically. One bottom, neckline, second bottom, boom. And you see that. So let's just draw your resistance point now. If we were to come out of this and break out to the upside, your technical target, of course, we're chasing back to the highs over here, a little 44.2k target, but for me it's that 1618. Now again, you need to get above the 618 to do that, which is our box. Minimal target, the 1, that lines up with our double bottom. But once you get above that and confirm its support, we got the 1618 over here, 46k, lining up with our other 1618, the larger 1618 at 46k. When we measured from this swing high to that swing low down here, that's given us that 1618 target up here, and then also this smaller one, swing high to swing low, we're chasing back up. If we can create the reversal wave, getting above the 618, confirming this box as support, then we will go to the 1618. Until then, we can't say it's formed the reversal wave. Until then, you have to say that it is going to come down basically. But looking at the larger fibs, we can say it's formed a reversal wave. So technically you are in a target to the 1618 as long as this holds as support. Basically we need to see 41.5 to 42k hold as support. As long as we're above this, we are in a target to the 1618, and resistance should break. Of course resistance can step in, and if it were to push you below the golden pocket, you at the moment invalidated these targets up here. So I hope you guys understood today's update. I am seeing that double bottom at the moment over here. Very nice bullish hammer on the first bottom. You've got a spinning top over here on the second, a bullish engulfing as well, but not a convincing break above the 55 4-hour EMA. If you're enjoying this video so far, please smash the like button, please subscribe. We're trying to get to 1.5k subscribers by the end of this month. I know we can do it. The goal was next month, but oh my gosh, you guys have been subscribing so fast, the channel's been growing so fast that I think we can do it before the end of this month. Yeah, so coiling up, got rejected, unconvincing break here, got rejected, holding that 20, holding that ascending support, go and break. Obviously that's your targeted upside. Lose support now and your target would be that 0236. Obviously you'd like to see that hold, maybe the wick before holding this support. But of course, if you were to lose the support, you know what happens. You validate the Head and Shoulders patterns target 41k. Perfect, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's update. I will catch you in the next one, and as always, peace.